Hello, this is my Radio Master.
Welcome to OpenTX. Disarm motors.
With the ELRS DIY module, I have hooked up on it the OLED and the status LED. Okay, so this is the OLED, how it looks inside the enclosure. Now these wires go on the pads that in the Discord, in the GitHub. Sorry, they explain, and the OLED and the LED goes both on the same. They can work both at the same time. The only catch is you have to solder it on, and after that flash the module with the latest firmware, and you have to add into defines some line of codes that I'm going to put it after. Now basically to the OLED you have to put it like plus minus SDA NS KA or something like that. And for the OLED you will have to have one OLED. It's a specific OLED. It's not it's a specific LED. It's not like any LED. It looks like has like 4 legs, but it only you'll give it like plus minus, and one of the legs is data in and the other of the leg is data out. You'll have to give it plus minus and data in. You have to hook it to the module, so it will be on the module. Plus you will have to on the module the plus, you'll have to the positive, you'll have to take it from the power supply. The negative, well, they say you have to take it from this pin here, and the data pin, it's this one here. Now at first I put this at reverse. Instead of hook the data in the sense of the arrow, I just put it to the other side and it didn't work. So you have to be careful with that. One more thing, before you are doing all kind of this, you will have to make sure you have enough space into the enclosure to put all those in, or I don't know, find a way to put it in. Now, very important to know is that I have a Radio Master. This doesn't having a LED status and a OLED hooked on this module doesn't really give me any kind of new information. Actually, I recommend for the Radio Master user not to put that all LED, or I mean the LED, it's like very simple to put on, but the OLED doesn't really have any use on your Radio Master, because all the information that you can see on the LED or on the OLED, you can have it, you can pull it back in front of the Radio Master screen. These modules with the LED on, they are very useful for those radios that you cannot pull out information on the main screen. I believe not all of us have Radio Master by now, so or Radio Master kind of radios. So once you have the module mounted on, it will not go on by itself. It will be like dark. You will have to start your radio, go to the ELRS configurator and put your radio into Wi-Fi mode. don't think you see what I got here. Okay, now the Express ELRS will, the configurator just filled in the air the Express ELRS module, and something is happening. And you have to select that. It will automatically take the settings for your receiver or transmitter. In my case, it's transmitter. You have to flash the receiver and the transmitter with the same Express ELRS program. So if you have to put it in manual mode, select the module that you want to flash, and if you put the receiver in the Express ELRS, it will appear here, down here. You have to select this, flash this. After that, select the receiver and flash the receiver. And on the user defines, I already have the defines, so are these ones. The only thing that you have to do here is just replace these things, which is depends of each one of us, the password, the Wi-Fi, and the binding phrase, and you give it build and flash, and it will start flashing. After flashing, well, the Express ELRS module, it will the OLED, it will start working. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.